So if we want to fill in the extra SEO title tags and meta descriptions, right? So you can just keep an ongoing list of all your URLs and target keywords and just select all the ones that you want to fill in and then press the AI autocomplete. You can add an extra prompt here, but in this case it won't be necessary. We'll just click that button there and the API is now calling and it's going to populate all of this. So we can easily just copy in our SEO title tags and our SEO meta descriptions. You can see they're being written now for us. So the power of this tool is just, getting all this information straight away from AI. And I'll show you all about how we can use this to extract data to populate our sheets so that we can get the most out of them. There's so many AI workflows that we can do with this that it's just, it's mind blowing the flexibility of the things that you can do with this tool. So let's have a look at the tool now. It's nearly finished doing all of our work for us. That's the power of AI and automation. So to get the tool, just go to this website, Synterrix, and I'll leave it here in the description and the first comment. Just get started there. So it's done now. I'll show you a little bit how it works. To use it, you just go up to extensions and then AI and Sheets, Synterrix, right? So let's just have a look. The main one here is the AI prompting tool, right? So you'll go there and choose whatever cell you want to add text to. So let's just start a new sheet, will we? So we just need to put in our prompt here and then we can add our little chip here of the cell that we're getting the information from. So everything's just made so that it makes your workflow easier, right? And then we'll just generate the AI into this cell here. So you can see we got our different venues here. And again, we can just use the autocomplete to do the rest. So it's executing now, the API is calling. So we're getting all our information now populated into our spreadsheet. Okay, so you can imagine if you have an e-commerce site and you need to write all your descriptions for all your products, it takes a long time. So you can train your data on this and save such a ton of time. It's a great AI workflow. But if you look down here, there's also templates, right? So this is probably the best feature of this tool is all these templates, because the owner of the tool, he's just gone through all of his e-com and SEO templates and workflows and just built it out so we can use it straight away. Okay, so here are the templates you can see now. So you can bulk extract product information from Shopify URLs, right? So the cool thing is you just click down here and it will generate a training sheet. So you do need a kind of bit of training to get this tool started and working the best, right? So it kind of learns a little bit from what you have in your first few columns and then, populates it like we saw earlier in the example. You can extract product names from URLs and extract any text from a specific section, right? So that could be super handy if you want, a certain section that you want to just duplicate over and over again or do programmatic SEO. So there's also lots of SEO tools as well. Templates, should I say. So extract a blog post for a URL. So you could, copy one of your competitors' one as a first draft, and edit it as you wish. So you can also do all the extra SEO works, the H tags and the meta descriptions and generate all of that stuff. Another cool one is content and marketing, right? So what you can do is repurpose your content. You can also write your content, so you can train the AI on your content and keep writing. So based off your new post or whatever it may be, your new product, right? So let's have a look at how this works. So here you've got your prompt and then you can generate the training sheet. So let's click on that to show you how that works. Okay, so again, I didn't write any of this. It was just the templated, right? So you can just change what it is you want here and then or change any of these for your own company, right? And then auto complete them as you create new pages, right? So amazing, cool workflow that you can do. So something else that you can actually do is this Google Search API. So you're connected to the web here and whatever it is you want, you can search Google and find it and put it in here. So let's do an example. Okay, so I'm just doing Jay-Z net worth. So imagine you're doing lots of net worth articles or something like that. We can just click in our cell here. Okay, and we want our answer in this one. Okay, the creativity thing is just basically, if you want the exact thing, in this case, probably better to lower it. If you wanted to do more, general writing, then maybe it might be you want it more creative. It depends on how much facts you want. Okay, in this case, it's more factual that I want, so I can just generate my output with low creativity. Okay, so I got my number. Then imagine you could do all of the rest and then just auto complete it. So that's cool. I just scraped Google to do that. You can also extract text down here. So whatever it is you need to extract, whatever your own website you can do, and you can also do formula generators, right? So whatever you need to do to manipulate the data, maybe say I don't want this or split up that, then you can create formulas. So that's this AI SEO e-commerce tool. You can use it for many things, right? But for me, I think it's best for SEO and repurposing. You can also, I forgot about this one, you can fine tune your own model. So if you put all your, let's say, your LinkedIn posts or your tweet posts, just keep posting them all in here and then fine tune the model so that it reads your voice and can understand what it is you want to write about, and write me a LinkedIn post about Alex Hormozy or something like that, and I will learn from that. So that's it for this video. Subscribe to the channel if you want more AI SEO videos.